Does the Immigration and Nationality Act impact immigration status? Imagine a country where who can come in and stay depends on rules set by laws. That's what the Immigration and Nationality Act does for the United States. It shapes who is allowed to enter, stay, and become part of the country. This law has changed over time, especially in 1965, when it replaced old rules that favored people from Europe. Instead, it started focusing on family connections and skills. The law created a system with 7 categories for visas. These categories prioritize family members of U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents. They also favor skilled workers, investors, and people with special talents. This preference system influences who can get legal permission to live in the country and how quickly they can do so. When it comes to immigration status, the law is very important. It decides who can be a U.S. citizen, a lawful permanent resident with a green card, or a temporary visitor with a visa. It also sets limits on how many people from each country can come in each year. For example, it controls the number of visas issued to people from different parts of the world. The law also affects people who try to come in without permission. If the quotas are full or the rules are strict, some might choose to stay without legal status. This can happen if they cannot qualify under the legal system or if they face long waiting times. So, while the law mainly governs legal immigration, it can indirectly influence unauthorized migration as well. Since the law changed in 1965, the makeup of the U.S. population has become more diverse. Before that, most immigrants were from Western and Northern Europe. After the change, more people from Asia, Latin America, and other regions started arriving. This shift has made the country more ethnically and racially varied. Understanding how the Immigration and Nationality Act impacts immigration status helps us see why the U.S. population looks the way it does today. It also shows how policies shape migration patterns and demographic changes over time. This law continues to influence who can come, stay, and become part of the American story.